Grammar is a minefield. There are two types of people in terms of writing. They're these smug grammarians who terrify everybody about whether to use who or whom or not end a sentence with a preposition, and it terrifies everyone, and it actually it does great harm because people think, well, I can't write because I don't understand grammar. It's absolute rubbish. Being good at grammar doesn't make you a good writer, in the same way that knowing how to build a wall doesn't make you a good architect. Good writing comes kind of from here, and you're writing as you speak. The only lessons in grammar you need to know, really, the basic tools are full stops and commas. So start with that, learn how to use those, be very easy going on the full stops. They are free, so use them a lot. All you need to be thinking about in writing is forget all the obscure grammatical tics that you half remember from childhood, and just make sure you are very clear and concise and plain in what you want to say. Think about what you want to say and then say it in the clearest possible terms. When you've written the sentence, reread it and say, have I said what I wanted to say, and have I said it in the clearest possible terms? I'm not saying grammar isn't important. It is integral, and more than that, good grammar is good manners. But don't be terrified by these, I think Kingsley Amis called them petty linguistic tyrants, who will admonish you for using the word whom instead of who, or who instead of whom. Forget all that, and don't use whom anyway, because you don't want to sound like the Dowager Countess in Downton Abbey all the time. Just use who. And be clear, but most importantly, be clear about what it is you want to say, and then say it in the clearest possible terms. And do not be intimidated by smug grammarians.